Well, I don't know if this will be the last video or not. It's been almost exactly 6 months since I left my sister's home, March 31st. And it's now October 1st. And I'm going back to her home to pay a visit, say hi. And it's kind of a bittersweet moment. I had hoped to, of course, be out on the road for a year and travel the entire perimeter. Instead, I've done, well, 7 western states: Arizona, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Utah. Over 4,000 miles, and hundreds of camping spots, and it's been quite an adventure. Who knows, I might be able to resume it once I get everything taken care of. Dogs aren't in a good mood. I don't know if they recognize all this. This is where they used to go for a lot of walks. But going to say hello to all my family, and from after this, I'm not sure what the future holds. I've got a lot of sorting out to do, a lot of organizing, and figuring out things. But it's been quite an adventure, quite a journey. I've seen a lot, and I hope to share it. I've got a lot of editing to do, a lot of photos, and who knows what the future holds.